Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today, we are going to divide a fraction by a fraction, and here is our case study, 6/7 divided by 3/5. And so what we're going to do, we're going to look at the model first before we apply our keep, change, flip method to solve this problem. This model right here will better help us understand what's taking place when we use keep, change, flip. And so in this case, first of all, we're going to multiply the 7 times the 5 to get our 35 square grids on both sides. Okay. And so we're going to use the columns and rows method. And if you recall, columns are vertical, rows are horizontal. And always keep in mind, whenever it comes to fractions, we obey the denominator. And you will see why momentarily. And so right here in the fraction 6/7, we're going to emphasize 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And please don't write the numbers in yet. We will explain why you put those numbers in a little bit later in the video. And we will do the same thing for 3/5, but this time we're emphasizing rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Again, 3 of those rows are shaded. And so now with that in mind, let us apply our keep, change, flip method to solve this problem, and then that will better help us fill in the model. And so what we have is 6/7, in which we'll keep. We're going to change division to multiplication, and we're going to flip 3/5 and change it into 5/3, as you see right here. And so now we have 6/7, which we kept. We changed division to multiplication, which we have right here, and we flipped 3/5 to 5/3 now. And so we will multiply across. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 3 is 21. And at this point, you could simplify this fraction by dividing both numbers by 3. But for now, we're just going to keep it as it is to better help us understand the model. And so when we divide 30 by 21, we will get 1 and 9 over 21. And so let's go to our 3/5 model. Let's go to our rows model, and we're going to plug in 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth until we get 21. Now we have a group of 21 right here. And remember, this 21 is our denominator in which we must obey. And so with that in mind, we're going to grab as many groups of 21 as possible from the 6/7 columns area. And so as you can see, we were able to grab one group of 21, which explains this one right here. However, we could not capture another entire group, another whole group of 21. We were only able to capture 9 out of 21. And that's what explains why we had this 921 over here. Okay. And so, and that's how we arrive at our answer. Then we can now simplify 9 over 21 by dividing both numbers by 3. And that's why we get 1 and 3/7. And you can see that diagram right here in which we divided 9 by 3, 21 by 3 to get 1 and 3/7 finally as our final answer. Okay, so I will be posting more videos of this nature to help deepen our understanding of this concept. But to help you deepen your understanding of this concept, you can pause the video, take a look at it, of course, get pencil and paper to take notes, or replay the video as many times as you need to better understand the concept of dividing a fraction by a fraction. But in the meantime, please comment, please share, please like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.